So this video is also all about रुद्राक्ष। पर इस वीडियो में डिफरेंस क्या है कि ये वीडियो में जो रुद्राक्ष में अनबॉक्सिंग की थी तो उसमें ये पर्चा मिला था, तो इसमें मैं सिर्फ यही पढ़ूंगा क्योंकि उस वाली वीडियो में मैंने अपने तरह से बताया, इसमें मैं अपनी तरफ से नहीं बताऊंगा, जो इसमें लिखा होगा वही बताऊंगा। So आगे बढ़ते हैं। The word Rudraksh literally mean tears of Shiva. There are many legends in Indian scriptures and mythology that describe the divine origin of the Rudraksh tree. According to the one legend, Shiva sat in meditation for many millennia with his eyes closed. Upon opening his eyes, he shed tears of ecstasy, which fell on the earth and became the sacred Rudraksh tree. Rudraksh beads were Shiva's gift to the world. And second thing, benefit of Rudraksh. Rudraksh curative properties have been utilized worldwide for the number of physical, mental and psychometric illnesses. They are very supportive for maintaining physical and mental balance. For spiritual seekers, Rudraksh plays a supportive role in enhancing one's spiritual growth. Some of the esoteric benefits ascribed to the Rudraksh include enhancement of intuition, peace of mind, assistance in meditation, purification of aura, cleansing of the 7 chakras, and providing protection against negative and distorted energy. Who can be a Rudraksh? Anyone, irrespective of the gender, culture, ethnic, geometrical, or religious background, can be a Rudraksh. Rudraksh can be worn by children, students, elderly, ill, and others for spiritual benefit. They can be worn by people at any stage in life, irrespective of their physical condition. And how can we select Rudraksh? Selection of Rudraksh. Rudraksh in their natural state have their own energies that are very beneficial for the wearer. However, Rudraksh can also be specially consecrated to enhance their impact in the tradition. Rudraksh are usually received from the Guru, a spiritual master. Rudraksh offered by the Isha Yoga Center are carefully selected and checked for their quality and authenticity, and undergo special process of consecration and dhyaninga. Assisting the seeker in many ways, they are potent aid for one's physical, mental well-being as well as for one's spiritual sadhana. The following are the list of Rudraksh available at the Isha Yoga Center. एक है पंचमुखी. These are the 5-phase Rudraksh which can be worn by anyone above 14 years of age. They help cultivate inner freedom and purity. And this Panchmukhi, I also wear the same Panchmukhi. Okay. Second one is Dvimukhi. ये क्या है? इसके 2 फेस हैं, 2 मुख. Are 2-phase Rudraksh intended for married couple. It is supportive for martial relationship and should be worn by both husband and wife. And third one is Sankhmukhi. Are the 6-phase Rudraksh intended for children above 12 years of age. This Rudraksh aids in proper physical and mental development and draws qualities of motherly love towards children. Fourth one is Gauri Shankar. Are Rudraksh which looks like 2 beads fused in one and can be worn by anyone above 14 years of age. It aids in prosperity and balance of Ida and Pingala, Nadis, energy channels, and activates 7 chakras. And last thing is proper care of Rudraksh. This is very important. You should pay attention to this. This is Rudraksh can be worn at all times, including during sleep and while doing one's spiritual practices. Rudraksh may be worn during bathing times. However, care must be taken that the Rudraksh do not come in contact with hot water or soap. Rudraksh should not come in contact react with metal. Therefore, it is advisable not to place them in metal containers. However, Rudraksh can be cast in gold or silver if one chooses to do so. Extreme care should be taken when fastenizing Rudraksh in this manner, as damage may occur through improper handling. The energies of the broken, cracked, damaged and defective Rudraksh beads are destructive, so it should not be worn. Okay, this was all about Rudraksh in this small paper cum book. So, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. So, bye bye.